In aerospace, quality is not measured solely by the final part. It begins at every stage of the manufacturing process. Akarmak composite autoclaves are developed to meet the aerospace industry's requirements for precision, reliability, and repeatability. Pressure, vacuum, heating, and cooling are precisely controlled within a single production cycle. Thanks to an advanced control system, every parameter is monitored and managed in real time. For large-scale composite parts, Akarmak develops dedicated solutions capable of maintaining a stable and uniform environment throughout the entire working volume. Designed to meet AMS 2750 Class 1 requirements, the pyrometric control infrastructure places measurement accuracy, system accuracy, and temperature uniformity at the heart of the process. Every cycle is monitored, critical process data is recorded, production quality becomes repeatable, verifiable, and fully traceable. Akarmak, precision at scale, serving the aerospace composites industry.